welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Paris filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to -30. Highlights down to -10. Shadows to +15. Whites to +22. And blacks to -50. Now, go to the curve tune. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. The vibrance to +30. And saturation to -35. And then go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to +14. Adjust the saturation to -35. And luminance to -16. Next go to orange. Adjust hue to -6. Saturation to +30. Luminance to +20. Go to yellow. Adjust hue to -70. Saturation to -44. Luminance to +20. Next go to green. Hue to -50. The saturation to -48. Next go to light blue. Hue to +35. Bring the saturation to -25. Next go to dark blue. Hue to -40. Adjust the saturation to -26. And done. Next go to the effects panel. Adjust clarity +22. +24 to ACE. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.